Hello, everybody. So this is our continuation of F5 ASM, that is WAF, Web Application Firewall. So before starting it, um, I just want to give one update to everybody. So if you guys want personal training on F5, like LTM, DNS, ASM WAF, so there is one another sessions, personal training session is going on. So if you want personal training on F5 or not only F5 like Checkpoint, Palo Alto, Microsoft Cloud, etc., you guys can ping me in the comments and I can share my details and we can communicate other things on the WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, perfect. So let's move here, right? So we'll try to see like hidden field manipulation attack. So before doing anything in the lab, guys, it is very, very important to understand all the attacks. Okay. Then we'll try to see how we can mitigate with the help of ASM, that is WAP. Okay, so this is the beauty. And nowadays it is very popular in the market we can say like in production in company, okay, in market. Okay. So we have already covered some attacks like cross-site scripting, and I have covered another like sensitive data exposure, right? So today's session will see about hidden field manipulation attack. Okay, what is hidden field manipulation attack? Okay, perfect. So everybody aware like if anyone like for example this is the client, right, like you and me, and generally we try to access some application, for example facebook.com, youtube.coms, right? And there is some server hosted somewhere on the company or maybe company DMZ or maybe internal site. So everybody aware like if you are hosting any applications, there is concept like web server, application server, and database servers. So all are basically combined, makes one perfect applications, right? I think everybody aware that. Okay. So what is hidden field manipulation attack, guys? So for example, if you are accessing amazon.com, for example, let's consider amazon.com, right? And once we run the once hit amazon.com, basically some page open, right? And we go to buy something like, for example, some mobile phones or maybe watches and maybe shoes, etc. And maybe its price showing like, for example, 100 rupees, just for examples. So with the help of manipulation attack, hidden field manipulation attack, attacker can, while accessing this request, for example, once you are clicking on the item to buy it, for example, buy it to shoes or other product, before sending that query to the application server, attacker can manipulate these things in the middles. We can say like this request can be held before reaching to the application server. And here they can do modifications instead of 100 RS, or let's consider original price is and 1000 rupees. And they can manipulate like 10 rupees. And so you guys can observe like how much loss for the people who hosted the applications, the people who is selling the shoe, the people who is selling the mobile phones. You consider like Amazon company, right? So with the help of hidden field manipulation attack, we can attacker can mitigate, manipulate the things in the middle before sending that request to the application's backend server. You can say application server which you hosted behind our load balancer. And people will think, okay, so now Suji's price is 10 rupees instead of 1000. So this is very, very bad things, right? For the people who is selling the devices, selling the shoes or other products. So this is called hidden field manipulation attack, guys. I will try to show something here. So this is a fiddler, guys. So when we'll try to do some things on the lab, I will try to show you guys. So with the help of fiddler, fiddler is a tool where we generally monitor our traffic. we can inspect our traffic, like whatever communication happening between client and server, web application server, which is hosted behind our load balancer. Okay. So with the help of that, with the help of Fiddler tools, we can hold a request which is coming from client and going to the backend application server, which is hosted behind our load balancer. We can hold that request and we can do modification here. And instead of 1,000 rupees actual price, we can do here 10. And once we submit it, and when user will try to buy some things, uh, instead of 1,000, user will get the price like 10 rupees. Okay, so this is how hidden field manipulation attack work. Don't worry about it, guys. We'll see all the things in the lab also. So this is the theory part just. So I'm trying to cover all the attacks one by one. Once it is finished, then we'll focus on the lab parts. Okay. So I hope this session has been informative for everybody. This is knowledgeable for everybody. So if you like the first, please like, share, subscribe, share this to needed peoples. And I mentioned in the beginning, like if you want personal training, so already my batch is going on weekend on Saturday, Sunday. You can ping me on the in the comment sections, and I will try to respond. And if you want my details, I can share there, and we can communicate and we can join our personal training, guys. Okay. So thank you very much, and let's meet on the next session with some new contents, guys. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you very much.